Do you want to make big money online right now today? Do affiliate marketing. That's right, affiliate marketing, not drop shipping, not coaching, not consulting, not masterminds, not even selling your own products. Listen, affiliate marketing is the most lucrative, hands down, the easiest business model you can get yourself into right now. You don't have to create products. You can be in profit tomorrow. It literally requires almost no startup capital at all. Now, if you're going to do affiliate marketing, you want to do it differently and don't do what everybody else out there is teaching you to do. Well, how do they teach you? Well, they tell you to go to ClickBank and get an affiliate offer and then just slam it with traffic, right? That's a recipe for disaster. Do not do that model. Another model that most popular gurus out there teaching you is, hey, build a list and then sell to your list and then just keep promoting to your list, right? Well, the only problem with that is that doesn't work either, right? As a matter of fact, about 95% of people that are doing that, and it's like most everybody, they're failing with that model because it's not working. If you're gonna do affiliate marketing, you wanna do what's called a connector hub-based business model in affiliate marketing. This is crazy, my friends. As a matter of fact, just over the last 5 days, I ran a campaign following this model precisely, generated over $280,000 in commissions, promoting somebody else's product that I did not have to create, I did not have to deliver, and I spent this much on marketing. That's right, zero money on marketing. How is that even possible? Is that even possible? Sounds too good to be true, whatever, right? Nope. Not if you know how to do it right. If you are interested, I'm holding a webinar where I'm gonna literally take you behind the curtain and walk you through my entire setup. It's called the connector model. It will blow you away. I'm doing a free webinar, register. I'm gonna show you exactly how it's done. You can be in profit 3 days from now. Big money. Register for the webinar. Let me show you.
Click the link in the description below to register for the best affiliate marketing training program for beginners. Trust me, you won't be disappointed.